Ontario wants to beat another record, huh? Eh. So we got a new second record, a new second place for coronavirus cases again, and now we're at a so. Let's look back at 2 days ago, Saturday. 1,132 coronavirus cases. That was the highest. Yesterday, Sunday came along, beat the record by at least 196. I'm not entirely good at mental math, but yeah. I'm looking at the last two digits, and yeah, assuming, yeah. Today comes along, Monday comes along, and now we have 1,242. Second highest we have. So Toronto is really handling it terribly right now. And also Peel region is not handling it well right now, and some residents in the Peel region are saying they're trying to avoid a lockdown because color-coded zones have taken over. I've explained this. There's the green zone, protect, yellow zone, and the yellow zone, and the orange zone, and then more secure and such, and then with several limitations, and no movie theaters open, and red zone, which is limitation of 10 people. So yeah, but I'll go for the coronavirus cases today, and Toronto had a ridiculous amount of 483 cases, 279 from Peel region, 170 is from York region, 74 is from Ottawa, and 57 is from Hamilton. As you can probably have seen, Hamilton, Halton region, and Durham region have shown up on this list several times. Other public health units in other regions have reported under 40, as usual. Twelve more deaths have been reported. So females are in the lead again with 2,000 plus coronavirus cases. And with the male behind, and the highest affected are 20 to 39, and the least affected is 80 plus. But the second least affected is minors, 19 and under. So looking at the hospitalizations, 367. It's lower than yesterday. This time the numbers are shown. So 84 patients are in ICU, and 54 of them are hooked up to a ventilator. Schools. Okay. This is from 565 schools, and oh my god. The school board really needs to do something about it, because as you guys already heard, Elders Mills public school in Vaughan in the York region. The York Region District School Board is in charge of that school. And because of the coronavirus cases from the students and staff, that school is closed. So this is from 2,707 coronavirus cases from schools, and 1,523 is from students, 341 is from staff, and 843 is from unknown. So the unknown number is continuously increasing, and the students affected, that number is also going through the roof right now. And of course, yeah, Elders Mills is public school in Vaughan is closed. Is opening on November 11th, Wednesday. So that's good until they actually check the place for the coronavirus. Now, long-term care homes. So it's sad to say that now the long-term care home deaths have reached now 2,005 deaths. Healthcare workers and staff that work there, that number has still not changed. It's still at 8. It rests at 8. So, reminder. So there. The reminder: Peel region is still under the modified stage 2, so it's they're currently under the red zone. So that is limits entry at restaurants or dining, and also at gyms and fitness centers. Also 10. Casinos, 10. Venues, 10. Meeting spaces, 10. If you break that rule, Peel region will be moved to the lockdown, which is literally businesses will be closed, and only takeout services available at restaurants. Gyms will be closed, and movie theaters are still currently closed. Orange zone. So this is for the York region and Ottawa area. So this is the limitation of 50 people allowed to be served at restaurants, and 50 people allowed at a time in gyms and fitness centers. Movie theaters are closed. And however, there will be some limitations. So alcohol is only served until 9 p.m. and yeah. And alcohol, it needs to close by 10, and you know, and yeah, and coronavirus screening measures will they'll be doing that in many businesses. So they'll check your temperature, uh, and also you'll be required to wear your mask and social distance like you're supposed to do. So yellow zone is like so liquor only served to 9 and face coverings required at sports and recreation centers, all, except when exercising. And limited volume of music and personal information is required, so you will have to provide your name and phone number or email. Depends on what they ask you for. And green zone is that they only ask you to the 2 meter, the coronavirus safety rules, 2 meter, wear a mask, and also, wash your hands. And 50 people maximum inside at restaurants and bars and gyms and fitness centers and casinos and venues. And however, oxygen bars, steam rooms, and saunas and whirlpools are closed. However, the Cineplex movie company said they are not opening their movie theaters. So, spoiler alert. Now, looking at coronavirus cases, Quebec is not handling it well, as usual, and Ontario is second. So, Quebec is at 114,820. Ontario is at 87,205. Alberta is from 33,504. British Columbia is at fourth and with 17,716. Manitoba is also increasing at 8,130. Saskatchewan is at 3,897. Nova Scotia 1,128. New Brunswick 254. Newfoundland 297. Prince Edward Island and is still at 66. Yukon Territories is still at 23. Northern Territories is also still at 10. Nunavut is still at 1. So you guys know what to do. So I got provide the link down below for the information, and also as a card. I'll continuously do this. So follow coronavirus safety rules. Don't have social gatherings with over 10 people. Keep important meetings up to 10. Zoom chat or Google Meet is the alternative. Don't do any activities with other people. Only go on essential travel. Keep your health first priority. Stay out of coronavirus areas where coronavirus cases can be high, and do check what region your what zone your region is in. Red, the serious one. Lockdown, above, which is closed business. Orange, limitations to under 50. Yellow, alcohol only served in night 10, and yeah, and services are like not available, and information is required, and a green zone with is 2 meter that distance, regular social distancing rules with no person. Oxygen bars, steam rooms, saunas, and whirlpools are closed. Keep that in mind.